Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at Global GT. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Global GT is a South African Forex broker that was founded in 2019. This is a beginner-friendly, low-risk broker that is regulated by the Financial Sector Conduct Authority and the Seychelles Financial Services Authority. They offer flexible, commission-free accounts with low minimum deposit requirements, and clients are eligible for several types of trading bonuses. Global GT's accounts can be connected to the MetaTrader 5 trading platform, and there is a great variety of instruments to choose from, including Forex pairs, DeFi tokens, cryptocurrencies, stocks, and more. Global GT offers a user-friendly website. You can easily find out more about the company, the accounts and instruments they offer, as well as the platforms and tools that you can use by choosing an option directly from the menu bar. The homepage highlights some key features of their accounts, and you can view live spreads from here. The instruments they offer are also listed on the homepage, and you can scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page to view listed menus with direct links to any information you might need about Global GT. You can learn more about the instruments they offer by either clicking on the Trading tab or by choosing an instrument from the list at the bottom of the homepage. Global GT currently offers more than 30 tradable Forex pairs and a variety of metals, indices, energies, stocks, DeFi tokens, and cryptocurrencies. The Global GT customer support team is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You can send them a message directly from the website or contact them via email, telephone, or live chat. Global GT currently offers 3 promotions, and clients can choose to enter the lucky draw and can also benefit from a 30% welcome bonus, a 60% bonus through the loyalty program, or a 100% deposit bonus. Global GT's accounts can be connected to the MetaTrader 5 trading platform. MetaTrader 5 is a popular trading platform that was released in 2010. It comes with a variety of premium quality, built-in analysis tools, thousands of technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor and algorithmic trading support, and so much more. It also can be downloaded at no cost. With MetaTrader 5, you get access to advanced platform customization, the optimized processing of expert advisors and indicators, access to smart trader tools and auto chartist, one-click trading, basic tools for graphic analysis, fundamental analysis, and more. You can use the MetaTrader 5 trading platform as a desktop platform, as a mobile application, or as a web interface. Global GT also provides MQL5 trading signals, which is a service that offers traders access to trading strategies with the use of trading signals. Once you have downloaded MetaTrader 5 and connected your account, you can access the MQL5 signals directly from the platform without installing any additional software or paying any additional fees. Global GT offers a total of 6 live trading accounts, as well as demo accounts and swap-free accounts. 5 out of the 6 accounts are entirely commission-free, and all accounts have negative balance protection and can be converted to swap-free accounts. All accounts also allows a maximum leverage of 1 to 1,000, and the Startup and Advantage Plus accounts are eligible for trading bonuses and promotions. Global GT's accounts can be funded using up to 8 base currencies, including Bitcoin, the South African Rand, Euros, and US dollars. What makes Global GT's accounts unique is the fact that all accounts can be opened by depositing only $5, which means that you can open one of the beginner accounts, intermediate accounts, or professional accounts with as little as $5 and still enjoy commission-free trading and tight spreads. The only significant difference between the accounts is the contract size of each account and the maximum number of pending orders and positions that can be opened at any given time. You also have the option of converting any of the accounts to a swap-free account that will not charge any interest or rollover fees, but this option is only available to Muslim clients. Creating an account with Global GT may take up to 24 hours. However, the account creation process is simple and straightforward. Firstly, launch the Global GT homepage, and then click on the Register Now or Open Live Account buttons. What you'll want to do next is complete the online application form. Then verify your account and email address. Once your account has been verified, you can log into the client portal. And once your account is set up and approved, you can simply fund your account and start trading. If you are new to trading and are new to the MetaTrader 5 trading platform, you can find a variety of helpful resources and educational material online to help you get started. Global GT also provides a variety of MetaTrader 5 platform tutorials that you can watch, accompanied with live trading sessions. With regards to educational resources and learning material, once you have registered your account with Global GT, you will have access to daily financial news, MetaTrader 5 platform tutorials as mentioned before, and Traders Insights. Global GT also provides an economic calendar, and you can view the times of upcoming live webinars directly from the website. There are also several live webinars hosted every week, which are hosted by technical experts and market analysts. They cover a wide variety of topics, such as risk management, trading cryptocurrencies and CFDs, as well as technical analysis. They also provide weekly forecasts and weekly reviews. Overall, Global GT is a popular South African broker that offers spreads starting as low as 0 pips, with multiple low-risk accounts. This is a beginner-friendly broker that offers all the intuitive MetaTrader 5 trading tools and indicators that you need to trade with confidence. With 6 accounts to choose from and live daily webinars hosted by expert traders, you can't go wrong with Global GT. If you are interested, be sure to open your Global GT account today to claim your bonuses and get a head start on your trading career. And that is our overview of Global GT. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Seychelles now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.